there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to show you the Gel Venture 7 ASICS. Now, these are my husband's sneaker. This is the Metropolis Black style, and you can see there it has like some nice blue, gray, light and dark gray, and yellow. Now, he loves his ASICS. We went with this brand because he's used it before and they're so comfortable. They're a very light sneaker and he just loves them. This is the size 13. Something else that he was telling me that he likes is that they don't look like boats. Now, you can see he gets a lot of use out of these. He's had them for a while. They have held up wonderfully. They're a great sneaker. We definitely recommend them. And that is our point of view.